For today's literacy center that you picked, you can see that there are 2 bags inside of the center. So this is not a partner or a group activity. One of you is going to take one of the bags, the other going to take the other bag, and you're going to go sit in separate places so you don't get the pieces all mixed up, okay? So inside the bag, you'll see that there is a game board. It says that we're going to be practicing our initial blends today. And so if you could remember from reading group, an initial blend are the 2 letters at the beginning of the word that blend together so that you blend them together really fast, and they don't quite make one sound, but when you put them together, they make a different sound than they do individually. And then when you're finished with the activity, there's a worksheet that you're going to complete, okay? So I'm just going to go over what these pictures are. This is a pair of slippers, and the first 2 letters in slippers, slippers, S-L, that's correct. So we would put it on the thumbs up side because it is correct, okay? And then this is a picture of a blender. Blender starts with blah, blah, B-L does say blah, so that is correct, okay? And then we're gonna keep going through here. And so this, for example, is a little girl's skirt. Skirt starts with sk, which would be an S and a K. And you can see that they said that this is an S and a T. It's not a sturt, it's a skirt. So you would put it on the thumbs down side. Pick through and find a different one. All right, this is a picture of some green grapes. Grapes starts with grapes, not crepes, grapes. So you're gonna continue doing this with all your pieces, okay? I'm gonna go through and just tell you what the pictures are in case you don't know. This is a picture of a crown. This heart is broken. This is a thundercloud, or it could mean storm. This is a picture of a spoon and a swan and a flag and a clock, a clam, a dress, a frog, a scoop of ice cream, a scoop. This is a present. This is a picture of a bottle of medicine. Although I'm going to tell you the truth, I don't know what blend that would be. And I also, to tell you the truth, don't know what this is pointing to. It's pointing to the top of this little ball. But here again, I don't know what blend that is. So if you get to these 2 and you're smarter than your teacher, then you come tell me what you think that these 2 are, okay? So you get finished with all these pictures, and if you get to a picture and you can't remember what it is, set it to the side and watch this video again. And if it's not one of the ones, if it's one of the ones that I knew what it was, you can listen one more time before you finish it, okay? And then when you're all done, you're gonna put the pieces back together. You're gonna put everything back in, including the extra worksheets that you're not gonna use. And you're going to do this worksheet at your seat, okay? Now here's the trick about doing this worksheet at your seat. You're probably not gonna have time to finish it today. You're gonna have to do this tomorrow during your workshop time. So you're only gonna cut out one piece at a time, because if you cut them all out, even if you try to put them in your box like you're supposed to when you cut, they're gonna get lost and you're not gonna be able to finish the activity. So you're gonna cut out one piece at a time. So like you're gonna start over here on the bottom in the corner. You're gonna cut out the little girl's dress. The dress has a picture of a DR, dress does start with dr. So you would glue it onto your thumbs up side, and then you would do the slipper, which would also go onto the plus side. And then you would get here to the present. But that says it's not a student, it's a present. So you would put it on the thumbs down side. When you're finished and you make sure your name is on it, this goes in the blue box so I can check it. You do a great job.